spending, what do you have to say about?
So as far as our industry is concerned with the gem and jewelry, and you know these tariffs are there, and we believe that because thanks to this GST slab, people will have more disposable income because consumer prices and even daily goods which are required in daily life will come down. And with extra disposable income, it will be a very good season for our gem and jewelry, especially diamonds and gold.
What impact will it have on different industries, and what will some be more effects than others? What do you have to say, sir?
So overall, the economy will grow, which is always positive, you know. So individual industries will have their ups and downs, but overall, if you see, the economy will go, and we'll quickly be moving to the third stage in the international scene.
So what are the potential challenges or benefits of implementing this change? What do you have to say about?
On the implementation part, I don't think there should be any challenge because the GST system is one of the best systems that's been embedded. In fact, it's better than some of the other government systems when you talk about refunds as well as of filing and everything. So I don't see any challenge of implementation, and it's come at a very opportune time just before Diwali. With the festive season and the wedding season coming in. So this should be a good boost for us.
So overall, gems and jewelry industry, what you have to say this 5% and 18% slab?
So our slabs in the gem and jewelry has not been affected. We are still at that 0.25% and 3%. So there we don't have any change over there. But since with these tariffs which people have understood, and we are always depending on the growth of the Indian industry, the whole world is looking at the fastest growing luxury sector is going to be in the next decade is going to be India. So we are very happy with this cut which has happened, and it will put more disposable income in the hands of the consumer. So it's a very good thing for the long term.